What's up, y'all? Welcome to the channel. Here we have a 2006 Bentley Continental Flying Spur. Clean title. It has some light damage. It is for sale if you're looking to buy it. Okay, as is, $25,000. It is negotiable, but $25,000 is the asking price as is. With both bumpers fully repaired and the light damage it has on the left driver door on right here, with all this repaired, $40,000. Beautiful car, clean title, no issues, no engine codes. This is not a salvage title car, it's a clean title car.
Is 800-868-1722. I'll repeat that number in a bit. When you call,
and I will detail it before you get it. So it will be fully detailed. Looking like it just rolled off the showroom floor. These garbage aftermarket rims will not be on it. We will put better wheels and tires on it. This trash won't be on it. So hit me up. Let me know if you want the vehicle. Hey, I'm even thinking about keeping it for myself. I like it. But that's the new car for the channel. The second Bentley Flying Spur. Stay tuned.